Hold please.
This little girl, you're talking to a guy, and I don't want to hear the drama. Kindness ain't my brand.
Oh, I guess that's why you ran.
Try being married to your mama.
Think I've been a dad.
Poor Mally, are you sad?
Not as sad as you without your powers. I didn't come to fight for once or something, right?
I still souls. We're expecting flowers.
Don't think I need you on the camera for something.
I've given you everything by giving you nothing. What I had to do. Ooh.
No, you only did the best for you.
Well, you can learn a thing or two. Which comes to shove, you do what you gotta do. Yeah.
You were never there because you don't have a phone. You never called to say I miss you.
Are you kidding? This is a joke. You need to let it go. You're stronger with those daddy issues.
Oh, thank you.
Show me some respect, ain't it easy to neglect? My attention would have made you softer.
Woohoo! Should I be proud? You'll turn this thing around.
I guess you are your father's daughter.
Don't think I need you on the camera for something.
I've given you everything. Give
Not
me
giving me nothing.
I had my own, no thanks to you. Learn a thing or two. When push comes to shove, you do what you gotta do. How about I go with you and we'll spend some time?
How about you say it because you out of your mind?
Let's make new memories. You can show me your town.
No, you can keep your memories now.
Get over it.
I am over it.
I'm over you being over
You're
it.
over it.
Let's dance. I did what I had to do. No, all I did was best for you. You can learn a thing or two. Ooh, when push comes to shove, you do. When push comes to shove, you do. When push comes to shove, you do. What you gotta do.